Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to switch to Instagram Lite mode. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to switch to Instagram Lite mode, if you are getting the issue with switching to Lite mode, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. Just open the Play Store, tap on the search button, type Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. Then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then open the settings, scroll down a little bit. In this you will find apps. Just tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. Here you will find all your installed apps. In this you need to find Instagram. Just tap on the search button and find Instagram. You can see your Instagram. Just tap on Instagram. In this you will find storage and cache. Just tap on that. Once you have to tap on the clear storage. Before clicking delete, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Instagram user ID and password, because after clicking delete, your Instagram app will be logged out from your Instagram account. If you had remembered your Instagram user ID password, then tap on delete. Then go back and check again after login whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you need to open your Chrome browser. Then type here Instagram older version. Just tap on this older version of the Instagram. In this you can see Instagram older versions. Just tap on this. Here you will find number of Instagram applications of the older versions. Just need to scroll down, see the date of the older version and select the at least 12 to 15 versions of older version. You can see I am selecting this January version. Just tap on this. Tap on the download APK. After downloading APK, you need to log in your Instagram account. After logging your Instagram account, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can switch to Instagram Lite mode. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.